Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Arctic animal squishmallow surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our winter animal squishmallow surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. You want to start by lining up the corners of your paper, giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, you're going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. Kind of looks like a bookmark. Now when you open it up, you have these nice little guidelines that show you where you need to keep the inside of your drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to make it look like there is a Squishmallow polar bear on here. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to start right here above the fold. Let's bring a line that's going to come up, it's going to curve around, and come down to here. Next, for the bottom, we're going to go down. We're going to curve it around and up here. Next, I'm going to make a little circle shape here. And then I'm going to make a little circle shape here. Next, I'm going to curve here. And I'm going to curve here. Now, let's go ahead and make the face on our little polar bear. So I'm going to start right here and with the eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a circle for the eye, and we're just going to color that in. Then I'm going to make another circle for the eye over here, and we'll go ahead and color that one in. Now let's go ahead and make like the snout. So we just want to make a oval shape, just like this. It's going to look like a pig for a minute. Then we're going to make a little oval for the nose in here, and just go ahead and give that a nice little color in. Then we're just going to make a line that goes down with a little hook, another one that just goes down with a little hook going the other way. Now the next step is I'm going to make it look like it has a little belly. So we're just going to make a nice big circle shape on here for the little belly of our polar bear. Now the next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we have this opened up, we have two halves of our polar bear. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into something different than a polar bear. I want to turn this into a little baby seal. So I'm going to begin by bringing this line up and curving it around. Then we're going to make the eyes. Let's go ahead and make a little circle here that we're going to color in. We're going to leave some space, and we're going to make another circle here that we're going to color in. I'm going to make an oval shape like this. And then I'm going to make a little oval shape here that we'll color in for the nose. We'll make two little hook shapes for the mouth. And then we're going to put two lines on each side for the whiskers. Now starting here, I'm going to give them little flippers. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around like a hook. And then same thing here, we're just going to kind of curve this around like a hook. Then we'll make another one, kind of curve up and down. Curve up and then down. Now let's make another one over here. Let's make a little walrus. So I'm going to begin by making a little curve shape for that squishmallow body. Now on this one, I'm going to make a little sad face for an eye, and then another little sad face for an eye. I'm going to make a big sad face right in between. Then I'm going to curve this up and down, and then down and up. We're going to make an oval for the nose of our walrus. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up, and down and up. 2 lines for whiskers and 2 lines for whiskers. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve out with a couple bumps. And another one's going to curve out with a couple bumps. And then we're going to make a little curve for the belly. Now let's go ahead and make a little penguin over here. So to start off with our penguin, I'm just going to make that squishmallow body shape, so we'll make another nice curve. Then I'm going to make a little upside down rounded triangle. You see, it kind of looks like a triangle that's upside down. It's got that little round point on there. Now, starting from the triangle, I'm going to curve this line here. And then I'm going to curve this line here. Then we're going to curve down and curve down. We're going to make a little sad face here and a little sad face here. Now over here, let's make a husky. So I'm going to begin by making that curve for the body again. And then this time I'm going to make an oval shape right here that I'll color in for the nose. Next, let's go straight up and straight up. Then I'm going to curve, and then I'm going to curve. Then I'll just kind of connect this to here, and I'll make a little line here. For the eyes, I'm just going to make a little dot, and then a little dot for the eyes of our husky. Then I'm just going to go down and up for the mouth. Next, I'm going to make a point here and a point here. And then same thing, little triangle shape, little triangle shape. Now over here, let's make a narwhal. So I'm going to begin by making that curve shape. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down for the horn. Then we can add a few little curves on here. Then we'll make a big curve here for the belly. Then I'm going to make a smiley face and a smiley face for the eye. Then we'll make another little smiley face here. Now up here, let's make a fox. So to start off with this, I'm going to make this little curved line. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a little black dot. Then I'm going to curve a line up here, and I'm going to curve a line up here. I'm going to make an eye here, and then an eye right here. Then I'm going to make a pointed ear and a pointed ear. And we'll do that same little point in here. Then over here, I'm going to make a little snowy owl. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up and down here. I'm going to start here, I'm going to curve down, and then I'm going to bring this up and around here. We're going to put a little triangle that we'll color in, a little upside down triangle. Then we're going to put a dot and a dot for the eye. Then we're going to make a little line out here for the wing. And some little V shapes for the feathers. And then over here, we're just going to finish it off with a little kind of like snowy hare. So I'm going to begin with a little curve here. We're going to make a tall curve here for the ear, and then one that's just going to kind of curve down and up, and then down here. We're going to make a little dot for the eye and a little dot for the eye. We're going to make a dot for the nose, and then a little line that's going to curve around, and a little line that'll curve around. And then we're going to make a little belly for our little snowy hare. Then finally, last thing we want to do is we just want to bring this line down for the polar bear and bring this line down. And there you go. When you have it all closed up, you have this cute little polar bear squishmallow. Then when you open it, you see that there are actually a bunch of other little Arctic animals. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.